What's up guys, it's Cade from Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Today I'm bringing you this 1994 Porsche 968 Coupe. The 968 is a front engine rear-wheel drive sports car powered by a 3-liter inline-4 dual overhead cam engine. Power is sent through a transaxle 4-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission, and the transmission was recently serviced, so it's in good running order. This car has 124,000 miles, but it's a southern car, so there's no rust. We've got a single exit exhaust, 4-wheel disc brakes all around, and independent suspension. All major components are in good condition for the mileage of the car and in stock form. This car hasn't been tampered with. As you can see, we've got all stock components, completely rust-free, and in pretty good condition for the mileage that this car has. As you can see, the suspension, everything is in good order. What's up guys, it's Cade from Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Today, I'm here to bring you this 1994 Porsche 968 Coupe. The 968 is the last of the front engine, rear-wheel drive Porsche sports cars, which were praised for their handling and performance. Today, we'll be taking you through the interior, the exterior, and taking it for a test drive. Stay tuned. This is the 1994 Porsche 968. Beautiful red paint, but I will say it is an Arizona car, so after 30 years, the sun has taken its wear on it. The majority of it is in pretty good condition, but there is some sun fading in some spots around. It's not terrible though. Overall, the body's in pretty good condition. Go right here. As you can see, there's some rock chips and some cracks from the bumper from Arizona rocks. You got a decent chip right here, and you can see some of the sunspots. Right here on this fender, we've got some light fading, but overall, not too bad. A couple more spots. Windshield is pretty clean for what it is. There's a few rock chips, but overall, pretty good. We've got a Porsche decal across the top that I personally really like. Got some fading on the mirror and on this fender, but overall it's pretty good. Back windshield is tinted. Actually, it's tinted all the way around, so slight bubbling, but the glass is in very good shape. Rubbers are intact. A couple of them are getting cracked and old, but overall not terrible at all. Probably the best part of this car right now is the wheels. It's got brand new rims all the way around and tires. We've got no curb rash or tire wear or anything. Here's the tread. We've got very good tread on it. You can see the disc brakes behind it. There's a slight panel gap right here. Most likely just needs a new body pin. Here's the rear. As you can see, these rims are beautiful, beautiful condition. And I can say that with confidence. Here's you got the tread. Pretty good tread all the way around. And we got discs on the rear as well. Come around to the back, we've got a single exit exhaust. We've got the American bumpers. Here we got other back rim, very clean, as you can see. And then we've got this side. Like I said, front's very nice. Very good tire tread all the way around. There's a slight rattling from an exhaust hanger, but most likely just tighten that back in and you're good. Get to the engine. So you're gonna come down here, there's a latch back here. Just one slight pull. Very easy. I'm gonna come right here, hand in the middle, pull up, and then there's a latch right there. So you're gonna pull up, this it. It does have struts, so the hood stays by itself. Here we've got the 3-liter 4-cylinder. Engine's very clean. Got some slight chipping along the metal, but like as you can see, the airbox is in pretty good condition. We've got the struts, battery. Overall, not bad at all. Listen to that baby purr. The hood light, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be dangling like this. Can't find the pins for it, but it's not hitting anything when it goes down, so not too worried about that. Come back around. Door panel is in very good shape. We've got adjustable windows, window motors. Here's power, driver's side, back up, and then passenger. Inside, we've got these clean leather seats, working horn. All the gauges appear to be working. We got headlights down here and fog lights. Not really sure what all of these do. This is assuming windshield wipers. So we got working wipers. See if I can stop them. AC is blowing cold, which is very nice because it's 113 degrees here in Mesa, Arizona today. So I am very thankful. Got a Kenwood speaker. You can see the Tektronix transmission. We've got, I think you can select, you can automatically select or do it yourself. Ashtray, cup holder. Center console is actually very nice condition, I would say. All these buttons, I've been playing with them, they're all working. Not sure what the red button is. That might be the hazards. You can open the trunk via this button. So we're gonna hold it down. Or, yep, we got it. Glove box. The dash is cracking up here, but as I said, it's an Arizona car, so it's gonna happen. Doesn't matter what kind of car this is. We've got a pop-out roof. I'm not gonna do it right here, but as you can see, the clips are very simple to take out right here. Mirror's got some weird little marks around the outside, but still good. You've got your interior light that's hanging, so we'll just leave that there. It still lights up though, so. Visors, little baby mirror. We'll take you around the back. Door handle. Come out. So once you hit that button, you can either open the trunk with the key, or you hit that button like I showed. You're gonna lift up on the wing. Oh, maybe I did not hit it right. Try that again. I think I locked it. Let's see if that worked. Nope. All right, we'll take the key then, because apparently I can't open a trunk. So it's you can hear the mechanism, so you just click it, turn it, you hear that baby open up. Struts are very nice, so the struts do hold it open. It's a little raggedy in here, but it's not bad at all. And then I'm assuming the spare tire is below. Back seats do pop up. Yeah, overall not bad. Lights do work, interior lights. And then glass is all good other than a little bit of tint peeling, but not bad at all. Come around this side, we've got the fuel cap. Open this. Forgot to mention, we do have power seats on here. Side windows, perfect working order. And the door panels are actually in very, very good condition. Air's blowing cold. I think this is speaker and then glove box, but I think we need the key for that. We've got our clock down here, our locks. Make sure we unlock that so we don't lock ourselves out. Now you got power seats. They do work, up and down features, and recline and forward. Okay, Give her a start up. Oh. There we go. Air starts blowing, she starts up perfectly. Let's plug us in. Let's see if we can get this properly the first time. Let's take her for a spin. Actually, might need to adjust this a little bit. Let's see. Cut that. There we go. Alright. Alright guys, we're back in. Parking brake does work. Put her in drive. Automatically selects the first gear, which is nice. Power steering does work. Brakes are good. Like I said, we got horns and indicators. Ooh, I don't know if we've got working indicators, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna have to drive carefully. See what this little 4-cylinder holds for us. Give her a little power. She's a little peppy. Not bad at all. Temps are staying cool. Fuel gauge works. Oh, indicators are working now, so I guess was not doing that right. We've got indicators. We can try shifting manually, see how that works. So put it in second, third shifts up, so the shifts are good. See if we can shift back down to second. It actually shifts very quickly for the year. I'm actually surprised, but Porsche does have a history of knowing what they're doing, so we'll trust them on this one. Put her in first, give her a little power, see how she takes it. Foot down. Let her rev out. Shifts very crisp.